know say Alkaline trader somebody? But you tell you know who Alkaline trader?
People that really think that Alkaline is a more lyrical artist than Masicka. Bro.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
I don't know Media Fox now. Yeah man, you know what things said. So people, I tell some buck up on the video and I be a laugh, me a laugh, you know. You understand? Be a laugh, me a laugh. But it seemed to me like it's a Gaza DJ. You see me? But I just want to hear what I say in that video. See it?
Don't think me hear the answer over yourself. Me know every DJ afraid I want DJ. Me, I'm not telling no who Masicka afraid of. Me, I'm not telling no.
What can back Cree? Tell crowd man so we full of technique. Mash up a place. A big hit song that. You understand? Or Campbell Cree. Say DJ say yo Masicka afraid of Alkaline. Well, a lot of people say that still. You see me? A lot of people say that. You see it. But if a man just afraid of that man, he just afraid of that man. You see me? Yeah, because you know say he can't play the data boss. You see me? But the next question, yeah, me not hear that, brother. You see me? Me not hear that. But I want to not hear the next question I'm going to ask.
Alkaline trader. Who knows the Alkaline trader somebody? But you tell you know who Alkaline trader.
So yeah, tell me people, because first me I hear that. At first me I hear say Alkaline afraid of Vybz Kartel because the last time I check Alka drop song say yo, nah get the pussy in your department. I better hold the corner. You understand? Me don't know Alkaline from the get go. We know say Alkaline a run out. Me not hear no bag of people that say Alkaline afraid of Kartel. Alkaline was the only little the youth that just busting a game and accept to Kartel. You understand? So I'm not sure of that still. You see me, that don't even sound connectable. You see me? Yeah, and I don't know if I'm afraid of this because remember say Alkaline say yo, boy run out in the door and flap himself. Or him say a theme place when them paint out theme face. You understand? So I'm not sure about that. You see me? I never really hear that still. I don't know, Kartel afraid I don't know. I don't hear that. You see me? I'm not sure. I'm not sure of that. I remember say I don't know call Kartel Adim Daddy. You understand? So wouldn't say afraid. You see it, wouldn't say afraid of that. So I don't know. Wanna tell me people because you know I don't have to make me know what I go on. You see me? If Kartel afraid that I don't. You see me? But say Kartel say I'm not afraid of nobody. You see it? But the Alkaline afraid of Kartel thing, nah. That far wrong that. I tell you that. Alkaline is a youth where we see what him doing a dancehall. We see say, yo, him burn up microwave. You understand? And do the 6 them away. You see me? But no, where the Masicka run out with family. You see me? So people, thousands of people I say yo when Alka Masicka him nah, you see me? So I'm not sure of that, but Alkaline with afraid of Kartel, nah. A joke that's capping, bro. You understand? Yeah, man. Is it?
What me do? What do you say, man? I'm begging. Say me, say you're afraid of somebody. Say you're about 10 seconds in a real life. Who you afraid of, Kartel?
Yeah, man. I know it thing set. You see me? But we see some people run out. Some brother have some chat you say, you see me?
Straight.
So them a say yo who more lyrical, Masicka or Alkaline. Want to know hear what them a say.
Straight. Who more lyrical? Masicka or Alkaline? What you some boss?
No competition, Masicka by far.
Sanjay, Rasta, where's Rasta?
A genocide, man.
Oh, yes, sir.
Vendetta, Alkaline.
A Gaza me say an Alkaline. I take that. Improve himself. Where's
Yeah. Man say a Gaza we say about a Alkaline. Jaja.
the color boss?
Yes, man, genocide. The landslide, man.
Then you talk about us. Where you know? TikTok. Where you go?
People, you know me realize, and I been to do some research and some investigation, right? I realize true, you don't know Alkaline in a everybody face in a bag of video. And true Masicka drop the song them. See, I remember some Masicka only good for gun songs, you know. You understand? Him not really, I just gun songs are him true strength. See? But I realize he might have dropped some song. See? Yeah, Masicka drop some hot songs. So look at now, people use that. If you say, yo, Masicka more lyrical than Alkaline. And that I realize. The artists are hot at the moment, yeah. And true Masicka drop a bag of gun song. Yeah, at that. That make them say lyrical. But brother, I'm not understanding now. Masicka now, I'm not ready for the real lyrical war yet. I tell you. What I'm do with Tamale with you? The man just a sing some regular song, bro. Remember say Masicka start off with two long song, you know, bro. 1 hour, 5 minutes, and then one next 6 minute song. You understand? And it's just a regular gun thing. You so much at first when him just start out. So Masicka not really counter the thing then, bro. I'm not ready. I'm not lyrical it. You see it? Him good on the rhyming skill still. Yeah, man, him a rhyme, man. But the lyrical thing, that's why people them. Cause remember, you know, when you're lyrical, you know, you can't really two sound the same. Masicka sound the same. That's why always people say you are one flow because it's the same rhyming thing. This a song you sound like this. You see? Just that, but Masicka can't lyrical more than Alkaline, brother. I tell you that. When Alkaline drop lyrics, everybody have got dictionary there and Google it to a song lyrical. They not do that with Masicka, brother. You understand? Them not do it. Them not do that. And see Alkaline song when drop where there no emotions. Only vent, weave. I want to hear that. Masicka don't know them word there, brother. Him don't know them flow there. You see me? So him can't lyrical, bro. But I understand. Yeah, he might have dropped some song where bust the place and I feel like listening to them song there. When I feel like say, yo, where, this, that. More lyrical. And that's how lyrical thing, brother. You see me? But me see our next brother forward out people and make you hear what I say. You see me? Really want to hear what I say.
But me over YouTube there, I see a dog say. Yo, I don't know if me delusional or not still. But me over YouTube there, I see a dog say. Alki is way lyrical than Masicka. But me I wonder though, if I'm me delusional or them delusional. Like, let's be real. You know what I mean? Everybody knows Masicka's strongest point in the music is lyrics. So me
No, people in the comment tell Masicka's strongest points is lyrics. Like really no brother. Lyrics. Yo, John, what the heck? Bro, I don't know when I listen to some little rhyme song and all of them things, then I say lyrics that, bro. You understand? From all the art, I think the autocrat when he must say pan like Shango, pan like Nango, pan like Shang. You understand? Be a bag of rhyme thing that, brother. You understand? I'm sick in on it, bro. You see me?
And if you ask me, bro, Alki would have able to find the melody them easier with the flows them. You see what I say? But lyrics, come on now, man. Lyrics. People that really think that Alkaline is a more lyrical artist than Masicka.
Brother, but I not think Alkaline is. I not think, brother. Yo, where them money get them thoughts from, dog? Ain't people? Where them really get them thoughts from? Because I don't know, you know. The man say if people think, bro, you're sick in your head, brother. Bro, not because Masicka drop some hot songs and feel like that, you know, brother. You see me? Because, yo, Alkaline have all a song, the people, when him fast. Now give me a talk, I want it fast. Left from high school, man, straight up my tone about, give me a talk. Yo, lad. Hey, 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 hey. Give me them, we don't win, right to the top. And when I fuck me about one thing, when I reach me, say, brother, easy yourself, brother. Masicka have none of them flow there, bro. You understand? I mean, I tell you, that song they name fast. Even later people them know it. Enough you, everybody supposed to know that song there. And people them can sing it right through. You understand? So, bro, I tell you now hype up Masicka too much, bro. You see it? And him fees will come. That's why when him going at the war with Tommy Lee, you know, everybody did underestimate like them things say, yo, boy, Masicka go rub out Tommy Lee, you know. But when them see say Tommy Lee deal with Masicka way, seeing? Cause when something they drop, Masicka drop when Tommy Lee drop the song, the man, Crown Clown and Dirty and all of them look at thing, then people must say, yo, Jano, man, I did Masicka away. I went Masicka, I death row, to me, out of the clash, to me, a death row, me can say him go on with that thing. Death row, not even Revelation, because Revelation him not execute that song, brother. Yeah, use a man flow in it, brother, for sure. You say him run out of flow, dog. You understand? You cannot use man flow and you not use it the right way like how him did use it. You see me, so that's so you know that. I'm gonna death row alone, I want song when I can say yo. You see me? Yeah, out of the second half with it, I must see the song when you wake up. You see me? But you don't know him run, so him dead. Cause look at if you're in a boxing ring and you run out of the ring and you lose, you know. You see me? Yeah, I don't see that, brother. You lose. Last man standing. Cause you cut. You see me? So, brother, Masicka not ready yet, dog. Stop hype him up.
Bro, come on now. Maybe me delusional.
Yeah, man, you're delusional, bro. I tell you that. You're delusional, man, cause what you're saying now make no sense, bro. Mad this one I talk about. You see it? But I just one of them thing, the people. Masicka do them thing. Alkaline do them thing. But I say go. Them compare everything with Masicka and Alkaline to reality then. Some of the time I wonder how them do it in a people. How people compare Alkaline with Masicka, dog? Eh? Alkaline pave way for Masicka, you know, bro. Don't forget that, you know, brother. Remember say Masicka they are struggle for boss, you know. You see him reading with Alkaline take champion boy reading. I see him reading boss Masicka, you know. With hardball, you know. You don't forget that, bro. Masicka did it. Why Masicka did it all long in the game? I do him think their own artists, their own conscience, them, all of them big man there. And him couldn't boss. Why when after when Alkaline boss and people can realize say, yo, young youth can come do it. And now fi, you know, now fi fall from the camp or nothing. After that Masicka boss, you know. In 2015, you know. You understand? When he get hardball. When you see him champion boy with him. You see it? See him champion boy with him there. You see it? So, I don't know now all that. So, at the end of the day, bro, Alkaline are way top artist down for Masicka, bro. I know, you have this so-called, yeah, my job hits and consistent and yo, remember man must say Masicka drop hit song for about 3 years consistent, you know. I know me can't see that hit song they pay off, you know, bro. You understand? And them song they by time you get them fade away. Like you just stop playing to hear it again. You understand? Remember man them yo, me say one summer you know people. The man them hype up Tyrant, you know. Hype it up in a dog. I can't tell when last me hear Tyrant song I play. To be honest. Nah, tell a lie. I can't the cook say me we tell you, say play now. But me can't tell when last me hear Tyrant play. You understand? For a man, yo, let me tell you this people. Alkaline 2016 album alone can make him shell down a party. Just that year they alone can make him shell down party, bro. You understand? Alkaline have girl segment song where we shut down a show. Alkaline can perform on one show and be a girl song. And the girl them go crazy. Masicka not have that. Where am I going to sing? 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. You understand? Title. We can't hear you no. Brother, go one side with that. And see from where the people. That's why I tell you, you know. I see a little post people. I have to show you what I go on, you know. Away post there. Away there. See? So look here now. See crooks them run out. Come I tell you them delusional, you know. Watch you now. Him say, everybody wait and Masicka to resume dancehall. Remember, you know, him and them drop a whole EP, you know. See? Do nothing, not it song, nothing. See? Man say, yo, everybody waiting on Masicka to resume dancehall 2026 has been struggling so far. Trash releases after trash releases from their favorites. Don't worry, it's his loading. Every time, it's so funny. Masicka drop a bag of hits. See? You see, if you're going to be consistent and you drop a bag of hits, we're supposed to see it pay off. See? It's supposed to rock crowd. May I tell you that? It's up. Alright, 10 years ago, Alkaline dropped some song, Champion Boy, ATM, everything, right? If Alkaline pull up in our party right now, that's why you see sometimes me them a compare Masicka and Alkaline album, I have to laugh. Alkaline album alone, the song them with on it, can shell down a party. May I tell you that? And then I talk about, yo, 438, this, that, brother. 438, and a Masicka alone do that, bro. You understand? Masicka and others, him get features on it. You see me? So, him would have to go get them artists up on a stage for start out that. Seeing? If you check all the Alkaline show them, him album alone, them song there, shell down a place. Barclays are found, now go see what go on. Tell Masicka say, use Theme 438 album and shell down a party and see what happen. Make him do that. You understand? Because I don't know what kind of world I live in, bro. You see it? Because when you say a man a job song, consistency, for 3 years now, 3 years, and when him sing and when him in a party, the crowd just dead. I don't understand that, bro. What is song them at it? Jamaica alone? I that more, you know. Jamaica alone, bro. This the man we a job. For a man we a job so much hits, you know, bro. Yo, remember this, you know? When Alkaline use it, remember in 2016, you know, people. Alkaline, you see when him keep him new rules, the 2017, brother, the man sing a whole song when an album shell on your whole part.